TSX first wash. Super dirty. You guys can see it for yourself. Turn this wash. Ooh. The sun hitting that bitch up. Dirty that shit. So yeah, try to get her ass right. Do it before and after. Hit her ass up again. So yeah, man, we're gonna do it before and after. I gotta pretty much wash this whole thing. It's going down. Wax on, wax off, wax on. Wow, look at that. See, this just needed some TLC, y'all. Some good TLC, some good loving. It's got a little pearl to it too. My neighbor said, he says hard to find a white car because black cars draw so much heat. You just getting there done the first wash. It ain't a professional one, but it'll get the job done. It's the professional Corey Lee wash. See, we got a little bit of peeling on the paint. See that? Watch this. We're gonna zap all of this. I think that'll come up. See all of that? Once I get it good, it might take me, 2-3 times to go over it, but then I'll figure out what I'm working with, you guys? I'll find out, what I'm working with. First wash in 5 years. That's how it seemed like, man. This joint's filthy, bro. Just the trunk alone was wow. All right, let's see what we got here. Some little sticker stuff. Gotta get all that off. All right, now let me get the wash. See these little... Yeah, let's go. Let's go. See all these little scrapes and stuff coming off. That's good. That's really good, man. It's awesome, actually. Shit, let me get it. Let's wash this bad boy off. See what we got. We done the damn hose done broke off. I done cut it with the the lawnmower, and it just came completely. It got cut a hole in it, so we got to do it with the hood rigged up. Why the hood wash? But it's coming off, man. Some of the imperfections and some of the little marks and stuff, man. It's coming up. It's coming up. See? Looking good, actually. I was thinking about keeping the factories on there, you guys, and just putting some wheel spacers on there. Let me know what you guys think about that. Wow. See how it did look? Looks a lot better now. See, I ain't even get the back bumper. I'm putting a new back bumper on the back of here too, you guys. So, yes, sir. I'll give you guys a final walkthrough when I'm done, but I gotta get to work, you guys. All right, you guys. So I'm done washing this bad boy. First wash. It still needs some work. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna lie. It still needs a little bit of touch up. You know. Like right up in here, you know, and you know it's the first wash in 5 years, you know. So I think I did pretty good though. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace the door. I'm either gonna put wheel spacers on here and leave the factory and drop it, or either I'm going to put the 18 by 9.5. I don't know how they're gonna ride. New front bumper. And yeah, new front bumper, new back bumper. Spacers lowered, I'm good, daily. Let's go. Acura Tsx 2004, you guys. Yep.